What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Back on the move again. Big Dolo. This is the day after the track. And I just diagnosed another problem. But I'm still going to go to the dyno cause whatever number I see, I already know it's going to be higher. Even with this problem. So if you saw my video, or you saw when I was at the track, you probably heard the car on the end sound like it wanted to bust up and stuff. Starving for fuel up top. Starting for fuel, and it's that 3.8 fuel line, man, from when I had the budget in it. So we gotta get that straightened out. Just talked to Frank, man, over at Hustle Hard Performance. The number is on the screen right now. Hit him up, y'all see, Hustle Hard Performance. Yeah, getting down. So we got Big Dolo uncovered and finna get it turned around. We already got the trailer hooked up. Finna get it loaded up, so I ain't gotta be rushing. All I gotta do is stop, get some petrol. And be good to go. Then I'm gonna plan on, I'm gonna just drop it off at Lawless too the same day on my way back. Since it'll be on the trailer, I'm just go ahead and drop it off at Lawless so we can get that issue right there fixed. It's right here with 8 might want to try to eat my tire up. So yeah, man, finna get all this loaded up and I'll turn y'all back on. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man, getting the strap down. We at the Dyno. We got the GoPro facing the back tie, all of that. So, you know, we're gonna see what it do. Now, it ain't gonna make what it really gonna make, cause we gotta upgrade the fuel line, but we just wanna get a baseline. We know we're gonna come back, cause it's going back hustle hard. And we'll go back to Frank. We're gonna come back, gonna be ready with big pills and all that stuff. So I'm gonna holler at y'all in a minute, catch the runs and stuff. Y'all already know I told you, I ain't telling y'all nothing right now. Y'all gotta wait. I told y'all I should have bought it, man. I should have bought it. Y'all gotta wait. So y'all see my cousin over here with me all the time. Go subscribe to the channel and all of that. So man, we finna get this thing fired up and then we're gonna check back in. Alright, y'all, we checking back in, man. We're back from the Dyno. Good day, good day. Like I said, we know what we need to do, but the track showed me that and the Dyno proved it too. I know exactly what I need to do. Car still made very good power, and it was cutting out of fuel, which y'all heard it though. Y'all heard it all the time. It was running out of fuel about 5,800 RPM. So you can let your minds wonder. There's a lot of power left on the table. That car's supposed to shift at 7,200 RPM. And just like the operator said, the car was still making power. But it cut out because of the fuel, it run out of fuel. And what causing that is that 3/8 fuel line. I need the 1/2 inch or a -10. But it's the 3/8 fuel lines what causing it to surge like that. So when it get up there on the high gear and stuff, and it get a higher RPM, it start breaking up and busting up. So y'all know that's what we gotta do. We know what we gotta do. Like I said, I told y'all Dolo is a beast. Dolo is a beast. So next time I hit the Dyno, I already know what kind of power it's gonna make. I know what power it's gonna make on motor, and I know what power it's gonna make on nitrous, and it's definitely gonna make a boatload of power on nitrous. I'm telling you, it's ready. But it did some good numbers. We did some good numbers already on the Dyno with the little problem. So man, next time we go back, it's gonna be on. So I'm gonna get ready to be taking the car back to Frank down there, Hustle Hard Performance, and when it come back, it's gonna be all the way ready. Like new fuel line and some more stuff getting done too. Some more stuff getting done, so the car gonna be all the way on go, nitrous ready, everything. Like we spraying the big shot. So next time I hit the Dyno, I'm gonna be running on motor, but then we're gonna be doing nitrous pulls too. And that bad boy gonna put up some numbers. I'm telling you, I seen everything I need to see. That's why I went. I knew the car was gonna cut out, but I still had to get an idea. So I saw how much power it made, how much torque. Man, this thing here is a monster. It's a monster. That's all I can say. It's a monster. So yeah, man. Shout out to Cuzzo too for filming for me. Coming through helping me film and all that. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all later.